nod your head when it starts. Hey, welcome to another edition of Cooking with Chef Johnyshwa. We're here at Sats Middle School. And our previous video, we had make corn tortillas for our mole. And we're getting ready to make our mole sauce. So, tell us a little bit, what is a mole?
It's a traditional Mexican dish that, it's just a traditional Mexican dish.
Right, and what kind of ingredients do we have in our mole?
We have tomatoes, green peppers, onions, plantains. We were supposed to use raisins, but we made it dates instead because they're better anyway.
And then what did we do to our veggies?
We finely chopped them and then we put them into the oven to roast them.
All right, very good. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take, this is the base to our mole. We're gonna be adding in a little bit of chocolate, and we have all of our seasonings, right? Tell us, what kind of seasonings do we have in here?
Today we were using chili powder, cumin, coriander, cinnamon, sugar, and that's it.
Okay, very good. So we have all of them in there. We have our dried chili soaking in water, and then we're gonna add just a little bit of water to help puree our mole. We're gonna be making a mole chicken and pouring this sauce over chicken thighs to bake in the oven. So we don't want this too thick. We wanna keep it nice and thin. So we're gonna get our hand over the top. So we're gonna take our mole sauce, we're gonna pour this over our chicken, we're gonna bake this in the oven, and stay tuned for episodes for tomorrow. That is our mole sauce day one. Matthew, thank you very much for your help today, and bon appetit. Thank you so much.